Take a good look in the mirror. Tell me who do you see? Keep your head up. Reflect on who you are. Yeah, that's you, bold as can be. Every feature on your face, your ears, your eyes, your nose, your teeth are as perfect as can be. So sing, I'm brave, I'm strong, I'm loved, I'm smart, and I'm unique. And there's no one else in the whole wide world exactly like me. Speak a little bit louder. The world is waiting on your voice. Be true to what you have to say. You know you've got the power, but only you can make the choice to do it your own way. The world's an oyster, you're the pearl. Let who you really are unfurl. Just be exactly who you are. Be proud and say, I'm brave, I'm strong, I'm loved, I'm smart, and I'm unique. And there's no one else in the whole wide world exactly like me. I'm brave, I'm strong, I'm loved, I'm smart, and I'm unique. And there's no one else in the whole wide world exactly like me. I'm brave, I'm strong, I'm loved, I'm smart, and I'm unique.
Hello, friends. Welcome back for another episode of Moments with Miss McGrew. I hope you are so excited because this week is a special week. Do you remember why? Well, this week we are focusing all about unity. You notice I'm wearing the color. What color? Orange. That's right. Wednesday of this week, we are going to be having our Unity Day celebration, and you are invited to wear orange with us. So today, I thought we would take a quick look at why we wear orange on Unity Day. Now, I found someone who can say it better than I ever could. So we are going to watch a video from a student just like you. Let's take a look.
Every year, one day in October, my whole entire school would dress up in orange. And I mean everyone. It wasn't a trend, but something more special. Something called Unity Day. Unity Day is just like the name, a day where everyone comes together and stands up against bullying and unites together as a whole. The whole point was to say that we, as a united, close knit community, are standing against common things like bullying and other hurtful words. So, why do we celebrate Unity Day? Well, first of all, Unity Day was created by Pacer's National Bullying Prevention Center, and their motto is that together we can create a world without bullying. And that's true. Together we can make the world a better place and make it so everyone feels free to be who they are. So, why do we wear orange on Unity Day? Well, first of all, the color orange is already associated with the month of October. As the leaves are turning from their amazing green to these beautiful shades of red, orange, yellow, we're celebrating something important. Another reason is that orange is associated with safety. If you've ever been driving down a road, you notice these orange traffic cones, and they're usually there to make sure that someone actually notices that they're there in the first place. Orange, especially neon orange, is really eye catching. And that's the third reason that they chose orange. They want to make a statement that we're standing against bullying and that we don't want this to happen. So wearing orange really just shows that you care. So, how can you participate in Unity Day while we're all stuck at home? The first thing you can do is wear orange. It's one of the simplest tasks, and you know that you're supporting something big. Also, you should be an upstander instead of a bystander. With all of us on the internet, there's such a high risk of people being cyberbullied. And with fake profiles and people thinking they can be mean behind the screen, a lot of it's still happening today. If you see anything, then you should either report it or you can be brave and stand up against that person. Lastly, just be kind to everyone and let them know that you're there. Being united doesn't mean that you have to do something big. Just show that you're there and that you care. Lastly, just remember that even if it's not Unity Day, you shouldn't be doing these things. I'm not saying that you should wear orange every day, but standing up for someone in need or helping someone get through something is the right way to go. I hope you all enjoyed this video and have a great Unity Day. Bye!
Well, friends, I couldn't have said it better myself. We are going to make a bold, proud statement this Wednesday that we are united, that we as a community stand up for what is right, and that we reach out and make everyone around us feel included and appreciated for who they are. I can't wait to see your bright, exciting, shining orange outfits on Wednesday, and I will see you then. Until then, this has been Moments with Miss McGrew.